My name is Brendan Riley. I'm an estimator here at the Collision Center.
My name's Kevin Palmer, and I am the paint technician in the Willis Collision Center.
My name is Matt Brown, and I'm an auto body technician here at Willis.
Before Willis, I was in school. I was at DMAC here in Ankeny, and then I was an ambassador. Started there in driving locally, and then from there I was a tech in Granger, all in Willis. And then from there, I'm now an estimator down here at the main campus, Clive location.
I worked at an independent shop before, heard good things as far as how they treated their employees and family-oriented, and had the opportunity to get in on the team and took advantage of it.
I've been at Willis for a year and a half. I worked at an independent shop for 12 years prior to coming to Willis. I was looking for more opportunities from the independent shop. Opportunity at Willis came up. I went in to apply, and I kind of just fell into a really good position, and I really enjoy working here.
I would say the people. It's a bunch of good people here. It's a rather large company, so there's room for advancement.
The favorite thing is just the core values. Their core values are what I believe in as well. I like how the superior team, they're always making you feel wanted and appreciated.
The teamwork that everybody has, the expectations are pretty clear here. We work together roughly like a family, and all the departments are very good to work with.
I like to enjoy driving cars, working on cars, and working out, yeah.
Outside of work, I enjoy to spend time with my family. I do like to do workouts at periods of times, but mainly my family.
Outside of work, my favorite thing to do is probably fish and ride dirt bikes with my kids.
I would say there's a bunch of good restaurants, social life. Everything's pretty close. It's easy to get places. It's not too much of a headache, anything like that.
Just all the access you have for around the Des Moines area, restaurants, things to do. Traffic's not bad.
Favorite thing about the Des Moines metro area is the schools. My wife's also a teacher in this area, which is good. I have 2 kids that go here, so I really like the school districts. Lots of places to eat wherever you go in the area, and the water parks are pretty nice for the kids.